My neighbors might watch this. I'm a little conservative.
Hey guys, so recently I met this guy called Numan. He's so interesting and I really enjoyed his conversation and hope even you'll like it. So let's start the video. సో మీ పేరు
Sayyid Numan.
ఏం చేస్తుంటారు మీరు?
Currently study ఎంటెక్ చేస్తున్నాను.
ఎంటెక్
బీటెక్ సివిల్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, ఎంటెక్లో ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ స్పెషలైజేషన్.
సో ఐ హావ్ సమ్ ర్యాండమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఫైన్ ఐ విల్
ఐఎమ్
ఆస్క్.
ఫైన్ విత్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఓకే.
What superpower do you desire?
Invisibility, obviously.
Why so?
So because introverted, when the introverted people we are talking, it is all about introverted thing, I think so. So invisibility is somewhat introvertedness. That's why.
Do you compare yourself with anyone?
Yes, everyone does that.
Whom do you
Everyone
compare
does.
yourself with?
Every time I see someone that is inspiring, I compare myself to them. Maybe I want to be them. I also compare myself with worst people because I don't want to be them. I want to be like great people. I also don't want to be like bad people.
Yeah. So, what gets you excited about life?
What gets me excited about life? Even though I'm studying civil engineering, but surgery excites me. Surgery, watching surgery. I mean, I want to hold the blade and
Oh,
cut into people. Not to kill them, but to heal them.
uh, did you ever felt embarrassed?
Yeah, lot of times.
Why? Why do you think so?
Why do you think so?
Why people do
Because-
it to you?
Not what people do to me, but because of myself. Like a lot of embarrassing moments I have when talking to people. I blurt out very very silly things. So I don't feel embarrassed at that moment, but after getting home, being alone, thinking about
Think
the
about that conversation.
retro, I'll get embarrassed.
What do you love?
Love in particular, obviously my mom. Family is first thing, then nothing such as girlfriend for now.
What scares you?
What scares me the most is uh, when I'm alone, I think of random things of doing harm to some people, harming some people. Not everyone, but those who have bullied me in the childhood. So I think of them in negative way. I mean, not like physically harming them. I mean, I wish nature takes its course and they get hurt some way. That's it. Not by my hand, but some other way.
What makes you smile?
Comic movies.
Comment.
Comic movies. That like I watch every stand-up comedy that gets posted on YouTube, or else
So you like
Prime
stand-up
Video, OTT. Yes, I don't aspire to be a stand-up comic, but I just enjoy them. That's it.
What's your favorite movie?
Favorite movie to the date, or else any movie.
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Okay, so my favorite movie will probably be Forrest Gump. I think so.
Oh,
Forrest
nice,
Gump.
nice. Why do you love it so much?
Because he doesn't care about anything. He just goes with flow. He just goes with the flow. He doesn't care about his life. So I'm little bit that kind of a guy. So I relate to it. So maybe that is my favorite movie. I have very other movies too, but this is my most favorite, I think.
Any regrets if you die tomorrow?
No regrets.
You're
No, I'm satisfied with my life.
nice.
Even though I haven't achieved anything, but I am satisfied. I can say that.
What's important? To love someone or being loved by someone?
Being loved by someone, because just if you love someone, they might not love you back, but if you are with someone that loves you, then I mean, your wishes will be fulfilled, because they will do anything for you. Because whatever your wish might be, they will go to that extent of doing
Because
fulfilling
they
that,
love you.
because they love you. You don't have to do anything.
Nice, nice. Do you like documentaries? Do you watch
Little,
documentaries?
little.
Do you ever talk to yourself?
Yes. No, 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 no. I don't talk to myself loudly, but I talk to myself in my mind.
Do you regret anything till now?
A lot of things I regret. I
What is
can't.
like the best regret?
Best regret. No such thing as best regret. Every regret, that individual regret, the moment of that regret is best.
Any quality you like about, any quality you admire
I
about
think of myself as intelligent, so that
Nice.
I love my brain. I think
Like something that you don't like about yourself.
something I don't like, inferiority complex. I sometimes get inferiority complex. Not lot, but little bit of inferiority. Whenever I get that feeling, I hate it.
Are you planning to do something?
Yeah, taking steps.
Nice. Do you like to face challenges?
Yes. Challenges. I also think of myself as problem solver. When like Indians are jugadus, we call them in slang. That is for problem solvers. We call them jugadu. So
You
I
consider yourself a jugadu.
jugadu. Yes.
What's your opinion on marriage?
Marriage. Don't do it until you are ready, or the other party is ready. Don't force them to get ready. That's it.
What's your opinion on money? Like, do
Money.
you consider money?
Yeah, money पैसा बोलता है, पैसा परमात्मा है. That didn't come out of air. They came out because it has some value.
Value
No, not paramount value, but it has some value.
What's your opinion on love?
Love, I don't have any opinion.
You don't have any
My
experience?
neighbors might watch this. I'm a little conservative.
So you don't want to reveal all everything.
Yes.
What do you think about current politics?
Current politics. I thought
it
you weren't asking these questions.
I was motivated
Um,
by you guys, so I had to ask the question.
what was motivating
Everyone
about
was
me?
like asking like politics.
Because tomorrow is our election, GHMC elections. So I thought you might be asking the questions about politics. So I asked you.
No, like in general.
In general, that politics is being politics. They do what they do. We should do what we have to do. What none of the above. You regret something that is. Arey, let us- He lives next door.
Oh, okay. He's neighbor to you.
He's my.
Hope you like this video. If so, please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep drinking water and stay healthy. Bye.